Hey guys, welcome to the next data science tutorial, and today in this video we'll discuss about bar chart in Matplotlib. So if you visit this website, then here you can see some bar charts that you can draw in Matplotlib. So let's see with an example how we can draw a bar chart in Matplotlib. So this is my Jupyter notebook, and here I have imported Matplotlib pyplot as plt, and here I have imported numpy as np. And if you'll execute this, and it will take you to the next cell, and here I have the name of the students, and here you can see the percentage of 10th class. So this is the data that I have, and now I have this x values equals to np dot arrange and length of this list, that is student. And if you'll execute this, then it will show you the length. It starts from 0 1 2 3 4. So here I have 5 elements in this list, so this is giving me the array, and these are the index that you can see here. So 0 to 4 is the total length that I have of this list. And now on the basis of this x values and the percentage of 10th class, I'll plot a bar chart. So for that I'll use plt.bar. So to plot a bar, you have to use this plt.bar, and in bracket I have passed x values and here the percentage of 10th class. So if you'll execute this, then here you can see this is the bar that I have on the basis of these values. And now on the basis of this graph, you cannot judge what this graph says. So I'll just simply use here plt.xtext. So with the help of this xtext, I'll replace these values, which is x values 0 1 2 4, you can see, with the name of students, that is, you can say, the list. This is the list of my students, so I'll replace this with the name of my students. And this y label, so I have already explained in the previous tutorial that label is basically used to give the name of x or y axis. So here I am just assigning the name of y axis. Y axis will be my marks, and the title of this chart would be students graph. So if I'll execute this, then here you can see this is the name of the graph, this is the title of this graph, and here you can see the marks. So it is showing the marks, and these are the names of the students. So now it looks quite good. So in this way you can do the modification in your graph, and you can also use label to show that these bars are basically the percentage of 10th class. And if you're using label, then you have to use plt dot legend, and you'll execute this. Then now you can see these blue bars are basically showing the 10th class percentage. So in this way you can use these methods to make a proper bar chart. And now let's say I have a percentage of 12th class as well for these students, and now I'll plot a bar graph in which I'll show you the comparison of 10th and 12th class percentage of these students. So what I will do, here you can see what I have done here. I have used this code for 10 standard, and the second code is for 12 standard. So plt.bar x values minus 0.2, and this is for 10 standard width and label. And here I have used plt.bar x values plus 0.2 for 12th standard and width and label, that you can see here. So here you can see x values that I have used here is minus 0.2 and plus 0.2. So what does it mean? If I'll execute this code, then here you can see one bar is for 10 standard and the another one is for 12 standard. So for 10 standard I have used minus 0.2, so that means from 0 it is moving towards left, that is minus 0.2 that I have used, and for 12 standard it is moving towards right. So in this way it is plotting this bar. So these are the two lines that I have used for these bars, and now to make a proper graph I'll use this. Here you can see what I've done here. Again, I've used x text just to replace these 0 1 2 4 values with student name, and while label I have used here for y-axis, that will be marks, title would be students graph, and legend I have used here because I am using label here. So if you'll execute this, then here you can see the changes. Now this is the title. On the left hand side you can see the marks, and here you can see the labels. So blue is for 10th class and orange is for 12th class, and here you can see Rohit. So in 10th class, here is the bar of his percentage, and for 12th class this is the bar of his percentage. So in this way you can show the comparison in your presentation. So this is quite simple, and you can see it looks quite good. So this is about how you can draw a vertical bar in Matplotlib. But if you want to draw a horizontal bar, so this is vertical, and if you want to draw a horizontal bar, then what you will do in that case? So to draw a horizontal bar, you just need to type plt dot bar h instead of bar. So for vertical we are using bar, and for horizontal we will use this, as you can see here, bar h. So I'll show you one example. So earlier we have used this code to draw a bar. So this is the graph that we have plotted here, and we'll use the same code, and instead of vertical we'll draw a horizontal bar. So for that I have used plt dot bar h, and if you'll execute this code, then here you can see this is showing me a horizontal bars in this graph. So to draw this horizontal bar, you just need to type plt dot bar h instead of plt dot bar. So this is quite simple, guys. If you know how to draw a vertical bar, then it's very simple to draw a horizontal bar as well for you. You just need to replace this with bar h. So this is all about how we can draw a bar in Matplotlib. So here I have used student data to show you how you can plot a bar in your graph, and you can try to plot the bars with some other data. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.